How to make a woman obsessed without saying too much. Micro nuances of game. Mastery through presence, not performance. Let me tell you a story. I used to think I had game. Slick lines, trendy clothes, gym body. I'd walk up, start the conversation, ask the right questions. But somehow, eventually, every interaction fizzled. It wasn't the looks, it wasn't the money, it wasn't the car, and that confused the hell out of me. Then one night, this was maybe 6-7 years ago, I met this woman at a rooftop party in LA. She was stunning. All eyes were on her, but I didn't chase, I didn't lean in, I didn't try to impress. She walked up to me, said, "You look like you don't belong here." I looked at her, smiled slow and said, "Neither do you." Then I just sipped my drink. I said nothing more for maybe 2 minutes. She didn't walk away, she leaned in. That's when it clicked. Game isn't what you say. Game is what you withhold. It's what you don't give away. It's how you stay above the weeds. Most men drown in the weeds. She tells you, "My coworker Becky said I was unprofessional during a meeting." You jump in, "Oh no, that's not right. Why would she say that?" You try to fix it. You try to show empathy. You try to connect. And guess what? She starts to pull away. Not because you weren't nice, but because you stepped into her emotional sandbox and she stopped seeing you as a man. Let me give you a better way. Real examples. She walks through the door, her face tight. She slams her keys down. Work was a nightmare. Becky was being a bitch again. My boss is clueless. You don't flinch. You pause. You look at her and go, "Damn, that's wild." Then you smile and say, "Let's go grab a burger. I need fries in my life." Boom, you changed the channel. You didn't fight her vibe. You didn't dive into her storm. You redirected it with masculine calm, and that's what she wants. Not your logic, not your advice, just your unshakable energy. Here's another one. You're on the couch. She leans over and says, "Why don't you ever open up? Why don't you tell me how you really feel?" Most men panic. They think, "Oh no, I need to prove I'm emotionally available." So they launch into a story about their childhood trauma and how they're afraid of love. She hugs you, sure, but 2 weeks later, the spark is dead. Here's what I do. I smirk and say, "I feel like getting ice cream," and I walk to the freezer. 5 minutes later, she's giggling on my chest. You stay above it. You don't validate the drama. You reward lightness. You lead the tone. Let me make this brutally simple. When you're with a woman, especially one you've been seeing for a few months, even years, the game becomes all micro, small shifts, subtle cues, the difference between her chasing you or emotionally checking out. Think about a guy who's got everything on paper, millionaire, blue check status, looks like he stepped out of a fashion ad. Take all of it away. Strip him of his car, his cash, his Instagram, drop him in a bar, give him 10 minutes. You'll know if he has that energy or not. I've been around guys like that. Some had everything, except presence. Some had nothing, except that relaxed dominance. And the women, they orbit the ones who have the vibe. The truth is this: the moment you start trying to connect, the moment you start trying to understand her feelings like her therapist, the sexual chemistry dies. And when that dies, you become her roommate, not her fantasy. So how do you stay out of the weeds? You talk like a third grader. Simple, present, director. Instead of, "I noticed your body language and wanted to come over and say hi." Just say, "Whoa, that dress is dangerous." Then shut up. Let silence breathe. Let her feel it. When I was newer at this, I'd overthink everything. What does it mean if she didn't text back for 8 hours? What does it mean if she called me dude? What does it mean if she asked if I'm talking to other girls? It means nothing. Stop trying to decode emotions. Start anchoring your own. Here's a harsh truth. A woman will stay in a relationship with a man she no longer desires just because it's safe, but she will fantasize about the guy who speaks slowly, moves intentionally, and doesn't chase her emotions like a puppy. That guy? He talks 15% slower than the rest. He looks like he just ate a whole pizza and he's too chill to care. He doesn't try to impress, he just is. Let me leave you with this. You want her obsessed? Stop trying to impress. Start creating a vibe she can't decode. Be the storm shelter, not the storm. Be the mountain, not the map. Be the man she can't figure out, not the one she can explain. Now go practice, slow down, say less, lead the vibe, and never ever go into the weeds.